To replace crash pad lower panel in your Kia Soul, follow these steps. 1. Using a screwdriver or remover, remove the cowl side trim. 2. Remove the crash pad side cover. 3. After loosening the mounting screws, then remove the crash pad lower panel, A, by using a screwdriver. 4. Disconnect the diagnosis connector. 5. Install in the reverse order of removal. Make sure the connector are connected in properly. Replace any damaged clips. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more great content.